Hello and welcome to another Ubuntu Geeks video. We're gonna open a 3D printer, I believe it is. It's the Anet A8-M version. It's a pretty cheap printer. I'm gonna lay it out and see if everything is still intact or whatever. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's cut into the package. Oh no. Myself. Well, some styrofoam, no, some plastic, some kind. All the cables, some filament, and extruders, double extruders on this version. Lots of screws and whatnot. And some electronics and the plastic sample PLA, and we got some mountings, a few of them, and we have a cat, a guest cat. She wanna help, so let's get happy. Well, what else do we have here? We have some wires, from electronics, the heat bed, the framing for the heat bed, and the heat bed itself, hot zone, and we have, what else do we have? Some more mounting and distances between the parts. And some free tools. Pretty. Whoops! You take that, cat. Well, that was pretty underwhelming. Well, let's take that from you, cat, so you don't hurt yourself. Some nice tools there. And some more distances for that. More plastic or styrofoam. Let's put that aside. And we have the mountings in here. Let's lay them out for the printer. And we have a lot of axles. And some more plastic, acrylic. And even more acrylic parts. They say it will take like about 6 to 8 hours to assemble all the parts, so we'll have to see later if we succeed. And we have some boards and some more boards, and some more plastic. And we're coming down to the last parts here. We have some protection for the wires. And let's see, we have more mountings for the axles. And even more. And we have a little box here. It's for the, it's for the electric, the power supply. So yeah, and what else? We have some, that's the fan, and another fan for the double extruders. It goes there to those. And some cables to the boards. We have another cable for the power supply. And we have the motors for the axles. And we have the chain for the motors on the axles. And some more axles with the hinge. We get an SD card and a USB. I wonder how good quality that is. So more acrylic parts, and I believe there's more motors. So yeah, I believe that's everything. So yeah, quite a lot of parts. Let's see if we can't put them together, and I can show you all when it's all put together. Another cat takes a visit. So yeah, from us here, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.